To celebrate the collective efforts and resilience of farmers after the harvest season, the Ri Lajong Farmers Produce Organization successfully organized the Harvest Festival 2025. The event aimed to bring together farmers, inspire them and convey best wishes for their continued growth, prosperity and success in agriculture throughout the year. The program held at Maupro village, recognized as a model fruit village. Mardondor Tongper, Additional Deputy Commissioner, attended the program as the chief guest. This event served as a platform for fostering unity, sharing knowledge and encouraging sustainable agricultural practices among the farming community.
Ba, bawa model aku rumah hinyo hajar buat ni, nurep badan hapok Dominika FPO.
Hundreds of kilometers away from home, the